Okay. My name is Winston and my friend Kennedy. We are from Zambia. We bought a CNC machine from Blue Elaphant. So we came to see it all the way so that we see in the factory here how it's working, and we are very happy. We are also very, very happy with Tina. She was very helpful. She supported us throughout the whole process, and we had to fly, we went to Guangzhou and we had to fly here before we could head back so that we see the machine. We're also planning to get another
machine.
Yeah.
We're very impressed with the customer service. I think if you want to get a machine, contact Tina. External customer service is excellent. These guys are reliable, big factory. What we saw is unbelievable. So please just get in touch with them, and they give you the best service and the best machine. So us from Zambia, myself and Winston are very happy with the machine that they've given us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Quality is very good. The edging is perfect.
Thank you.
Very high quality.